What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It is June 28th, 2022, and this was some important information that may have gotten missed by some of you guys out there that are just mining and hodling and just mining, not paying attention. So, NiceHash is changing some of the way that the mining happens, and this is going to affect probably Hive OS users if they are not updated. So let's jump on over here and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so auto locations in NiceHash mining software. Previously, before you picked like US, EU, there was a couple other ones, but yeah, you picked like the closest location to you for your connection to NiceHash. So that way you'd get uh, more shares, less stales, that kind of thing. But they are updating it to do auto location. So we have now fully introduced a new auto location feature in all our mining software. Auto location will replace all 4 of the current mining location URLs. Please make sure you update the setting if you are configuring your rigs manually. Global locations will be available in the following form. You can click on the stratum generator and make your own custom stratums depending on what you're mining. But more importantly, if you're using Hive OS, all you have to do is go through and make a new flight sheet. And then whenever you go to the pool, you click NiceHash or you click NiceHash, and then it'll bring it up. And used to right here, it would have 4 different addresses, and you would pick the one that was closest to you. All you do now is click auto, and then you click apply. All those settings, you hit update, create a new flight sheet, and you're good to go. You just have to make sure you're not running your old flight sheet with the old server address. Hive has also put up an update here, or like a little notification. NiceHash has introduced new auto locations. The old locations will be depreciated by the end of June. Please update your flight sheets accordingly. So maybe you haven't been paying attention. Maybe you don't use NiceHash. Either way, hopefully this helps out some people and you don't end up with any missed hash rate. That's the big thing here. So I think I'm gonna flip maybe one of my rigs over to NiceHash just to accumulate a couple satoshis. But I think I'm gonna keep the lion's share straight on Ethereum and keep pounding away and getting and accumulating my Ethereum because I still want to hit my Ethereum goal before we go proof of stake. So, yep, wham bam, thank you, ma'am. I'll put the link down below for that article if you're wondering about it and you need to create your own custom stratum for a different mining service, because I imagine if you're using like Simple Miner or Awesome Miner, basically any other miner, you will have to change those pool URL addresses. If you're on NiceHash, the actual like GUI miner inside of Windows, you'll just need to make sure to update to the latest version of NiceHash, which just for reference here, it looks like NiceHash Miner version 3.0.8.2 or higher will get you going on the NiceHash Miner, and the Quick Miner version 0.5.3.6 or newer, it will get you good to go on that. And before we get off here, guys, let me go ahead and bring up Coin Market Cap and just do a little daily recap on the market, so that way when we get to look at these old videos way off in the future, hi future self, hi mom, we can laugh and be like, oh my god, look at Bitcoin at $20,000. Wish I would have bought some. But yeah, for reference today, Bitcoin is at the top at $20,335. Ethereum's right behind it in the second position at $1,150. Going further down the list, we have XRP in 7th position at 33 cents. Dogecoin's holding down the number 10 spot at 6.7 cents. Further down, Litecoin is in 19th position, running at a solid $53.05. And we'll finish it out with some Monero at $119. And I guess we can't forget our friend Ethereum Classic at $15.62. So hope everybody's having a great day. we just keep on chugging away. It is what it is. That's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. So we're keeping it short and sweet tonight. Hope y'all had a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Later. Oh, the cat's here. This is my dad's cat, actually, and say hi to him. His name's Horsepower. He's a race car cat. He's a garage cat. But anyway, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.